Having two different computers and switching between them can be quite annoying, as you need to go back and forth between different sets of mouses, keyboards, and other USB peripherals. This is where KVM switches come to the rescue, as they connect multiple computers to a single display and allow easy access to USB devices. So in today's video, we are going to showcase 5 best KVM switches to maximize your productivity.
Techfluencer delivers a complete buying guide for tech enthusiasts. Here, we try our best to make you pick the best PC components, laptops, and other tech gadgets with brief technical information, pros and cons, ratings, and recommendations. Our tech expert team tests, reviews, and benchmarks thousands of products to come up with the list of the best and latest products, along with recommendations for the viewers. To know what is the best choice for you, watch the full video and check the description for the purchase links.
Starting our list at number 5, we have the HDMI USB KVM switch by Jide Tech. A high-volume KVM switch that seamlessly links all your peripherals to multiple PCs. Capable of controlling up to 8 computers from a single console, you will find amazing efficiency while using it in a small workplace. More importantly, this KVM switch goes well with most operating systems, which is quite helpful if you prefer working on multiple operating systems. It also features auto scan function, which can automatically switch videos among your computers with much ease. With just a push of a button or tapping your keyboard hotkeys, switching your PCs will be hassle-free. Numerous PCs support HDMI video output, and an auto scan function of this KVM switch have enabled it to acquire the number 5 position on our list. If you own a small business and need to switch between multiple PCs or operating systems quite often, this KVM switch will be a great choice for you. Next up at number 4, we have the Stardrive sharing switch, a remarkable USB 2.0 switch that you can use to increase your productivity. The device is capable of sharing up to 4 devices between 4 computers without breaking a sweat. With the simple push of a button, transitioning all your peripherals from one computer to another can be instantly achievable. The LED indicator switch is a desirable addition that will conveniently let you know which PC is currently connected with all your USB components. The KVM switch also offers compatibility with a USB hub that will extend USB connectivity if you feel like 4 USB ports are not cutting the deal for you. Moreover, the KVM switch is also capable of transmitting data at 480 megabits per second and will let you conveniently control all of your devices from a single switch. With all these features combined, this reliable KVM switch has made its way to number 4 on our list. If you require a swift KVM switch that you can rely on for your daily computing activities, this device will go far and beyond to meet your demand. At number 3, we have the Ugreen USB switch selector, a convenient KVM switch that will be most fitting to your home desktop setup. Featuring 4 USB 3.0 ports, sharing multiple USB 3.0 peripheral devices between 2 computers will be effortless for you. Capable of transferring data up to 5 GB per second, this KVM switch will go well with your high bandwidth USB 3.0 devices. Thanks to the LED indicator designed on top of this switch, you can be well aware of which PC is currently using your USB devices. The ergonomic design of this KVM switch looks quite sleek, and you will find greater efficiency while using it. Convenient as it is, the Ugreen USB switch selector has grabbed the number 3 spot on our list. If you are tired of switching devices between 2 of your personal computers, this KVM switch can be your lifesaver. Heading down to number 2, we have the CKL HDMI switch, an authentic KVM switch for dual monitor streaming setup. This KVM switch is capable of connecting 2 different computers to your dual monitor setup and take your streaming experience to the next level. The KVM switch is also capable of supporting a wide range of devices including webcam, game console, hard disk player, and DVR, which will enhance your streaming experience a lot. The most helpful feature of this KVM switch is its cross-platform support. This will offer you with precise customization for both of your computers. For its dual monitor HDMI and multiple support platform, we have placed this KVM switch at number 2 spot on our list. If you are a regular streamer and want greater customizability for your streaming setup, you should pick the CKL HDMI KVM switch without giving it a second thought. Finally, at number 1, we have the Access Pro 2 by IOgear, a dynamic yet elegant looking USB-C KVM switch that will fit right into your professional lifestyle. With 2 Thunderbolt 3 USB-C ports, this KVM switch offers instant response time for all of your USB-C peripherals. It also features a DP Alt mode that will let you control 2 of your USB-C devices between 2 separate computers. Thanks to its USB-C connectivity, streamlining 4K ultra high resolution footage of your laptop, smartphone, and tablet will be quite feasible. The most amazing thing about this KVM switch is that it can deliver up to 75 watts power to your smartphone and laptop. Functional, visually stunning, and full of perks, this high-performing KVM switch well deserves the number 1 spot on our list. If you are looking for a high-performance KVM switch for professional use, you will find the IOgear Access Pro 2 a satisfactory purchase. So that was all about the 5 best KVM switches that you can use to control your PC. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and comment below to let us know your thoughts. Subscribe to our channel if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.